Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets YouTube mobile tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to loop YouTube videos on a mobile phone, such as an iPhone or an Android phone. So if you're trying to have a YouTube video keep playing over and over and over, in this video, I'll show you how to do that in the YouTube app. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the YouTube app on our iPhone or Android phone, then find the video you want to loop and go ahead and open it up. With the YouTube video playing, what we need to do is first tap the video so that we can see all the icons on the video, and then select the three vertical dots in the top right. This will bring up a menu where then we can see the option for loop video right here. All we need to do is select that. And as you can see, video loop is currently on, and this video will play over and over and over as many times as we want to. Whenever we want to stop that, all we need to do is bring up the menu again by tapping the video, select the three vertical dots in the top again, and then select loop video again to turn it off. And then as you can see, it has now been turned off. All right, so that's how you loop YouTube videos in the YouTube mobile app on an iPhone or an Android phone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more YouTube tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.